Well, hello out there in the world of the Blade 350 QX3. My name is Harry. You've seen my name all over these pages for the last couple of weeks, I'm sure. And here is my mush. Hello. Today I am going to show you what I did to make some tall landing gear for my QX3. I haven't done it to save £15. I've done it because I wanted to. And personally, I think the result is pretty damn good. It's stable, they ain't going to break, and I will call it effort number 2 you're going to see here today, and possibly there will be effort number 3 coming soon. So enjoy, comment, good or bad. Thank you very much. So here is my brand new 350 QX3 that Hobby Horison sent me when mine went down in some water, and thankfully after I wrote them a fairly in-depth report and offered them the video footage should they want, they sent me this. Well happy, over the moon. Just waiting on a new gimbal and a new camera to arrive, because they wouldn't replace the gimbal or camera because they weren't, it wasn't an AP combo that I bought. So on the previous one, rather than the long legs, I'd gone down the road of pipe lagging. Worked perfectly well, so I thought I'll have a go at making some better ones, and here's what I made. This is last night. I made them last night and I mega cuffed it. No cuff too tough. I made them using my gas stove and a hot knife to cut bits of plastic up, and that's what I produced. 2 skids, the exact height needed for my gimbal, the perfect height needed so that when they're on the quad still sits in the original box, as that is the method I carry it around when I'm taking it somewhere. Didn't cost me anything, and last night I got a massive sense of achievement when I made these and found they worked. So what are they made of? This is what they're made of. So this is George Asda, and I'm now going to attempt to show you what I've done to make them, only after last night's bodge I'm going to try and be a bit more creative. I've had this Dremel for some time, very rarely does it ever get used. I have a craft knife and I have some glue somewhere, but I can't quite find it at the moment, so we'll get to that when the time arises. Okay, so I've just put some tape on there and I'm going to cut them now. The 2 skids practically made. Now it was at this stage last night I went to the cooker, melted the 2 bits of metal and stuck them together. So I'm not sure how I'm going to do this. I have got some glue here. I'll just go and find the glue. Okay, welcome back everybody. Now, here's the thing. I've just gone to get the glue. I can't find it. I can't be bothered to go out. It's raining. So, and these two are effort number 2. I'm quite happy with that. That ain't going anywhere. Nowhere at all. Right, I'm just going to have a little clear out, get rid of all this dust, and then I'm going to bring in the QX3. Okay, well, I've just decided to add a little strengthening rod there. So that bit, hang on, that bit there will sit up against the prop of the blade, and that gives it real good strength, or at least I hope it will. So well, those two are pretty damn firm, if I don't mind saying so myself. That is as strong as, well, strong as the regular ones. That ain't going anywhere. Firm, pretty good. Okay guys, well there it is, the QX3 with homemade tall landing gear on. I am well happy with it. Clearly it doesn't look good, but I'm not too concerned how it looks. And please don't think I'm sitting here suggesting that I'm in any way a fantastic model maker, because clearly I'm not. But someone out there will go, oh, coat hanger, and you'll have the tools and the inclination and the nonce to make a better one perhaps, and then I can watch your video and do it better. So thank you very much for watching. I'm loving flying the QX3, it's fantastic. I did start with a Cyma X5 and I've crashed it a million times and it's battered to hell, and gladly I am pleased to say that the skills you need to fly a Cyma X5 do come in very handy from time to time on the GPS ones, because sometimes you just need to fly without GPS or safe mode. Anyway, I've enjoyed making this little video and I hope you will enjoy watching it. So thank you very much.